How well do you think? I was gonna say, how well is that gonna go? Yeah. They're so soft. Hey everyone, IDAHO Man here. So, as you've seen, got some tires that showed up for the old white pickup. They are right here. Look at them. Yeah, some Nittos NT555R2s, and man, are they soft. Got them on some nice 15 by 10 chrome steel boys. And they are a bit shorter, and they are also sitting on the pavement, so they are quite a bit shorter. Now the fun part is that these are a 15-inch wheel. As I said, 15s don't fit over stock rear brake calipers very easy, so now we get to do a little bit of grindy grind. So yeah, enough of that. Let's get the grinder out and see what happens. Okay, well, it's now the next day. Currently on lunch, so I'm wearing my shirt. Got my safety glasses on, got the grinder, and if you look in there, you can kind of see it's touching. So it did make marks on the caliper, so I kind of know where to grind. So let's grind this real quick, see what happens. You can kind of see where it's dirty is where it's still rubbing. So I guess that means we just keep grinding. Well, all that grinding and it's still no clear. And I gotta go back to work. So I think this is where we pause. It's hot out here. We'll pause for now, go back to work, be back in a few hours. We'll continue these shenanigans. Well, off work. Time to get back to grinding. Probably should have went and picked up new grinding wheels. This one doesn't seem to be working the best, but oh well, we're already here, so see how much more damage we can do with this little fella. So I just had a really bad idea. I think it's close, but it still won't spin. So I'm wondering if I start it and I put it in gear, if it will self-clearance. Like I said, really terrible idea. Let's see what happens. Well, that sounded terrible. So, as bad of an idea as that was, and as terrible as it sounded, I mean, at least I know now where I need to grind it. And roughly how much. Hopefully there's that much material on there. Guess we'll find out. Well, this is cool. Been grinding on the caliper. As you can hear, the pickup's running. Yes, you can hear the wheel still contacting the caliper, but look at this. I don't know, maybe you can't see it, but the wheel's bent. So that's cool. Also, I wouldn't mind the fact that it's just a floor jack holding it up while it's running in gear. No big deal. Okay, well, GoPro's about to die somehow already. Brand new battery. Anyways, got one caliper all ground down. So now I'll move to the other side, hopefully do it a lot quicker and go from there. So we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, well, you might notice that we are going down some stairs. There's some poppers. Yep, there you go, Ronan. Yep, just a tacker. There we go. Anyways, you might be wondering why we're downstairs. Well, I had to go and haul hay today. Figured I'd come back, try and, you know, grind some caliper, get that thing going. Well, the old grinder still ain't working. So, yes, that does appear to be a chest style freezer. And what do we got here? And here. But mostly right here. Yes, that is a grinder. I put it in the freezer hoping that would cool it off enough. Actually, Anthony gave me that idea, so thank you, Anthony. But let's grab it real quick and go and try and grind some caliper before it warms up. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, it feels frozen. The cord's all stiff and everything. Let's see how this works. Didn't really work. I don't think you can see the smoke, but you know, it's really hot. I really should just go buy a new one. I could be done if I would have just went and bought a new one. Ooh! Never mind, we're good. If you hold it certain ways, it quits working. Well, it's the next day. Finally just gave up on that grinder altogether. So, went and bought myself something. Boom! New grinder and a Sawzall. I've never owned a Sawzall, so now I own a Sawzall. So let's go work on this some more, see if we can't get this stupid caliper grinding done finally. Well, I should have just went and bought a new grinder yesterday because it went a lot faster once I got one that actually works. But we got no grinding, so we're good to go. Well, kind of been just driving around and stuff. Had to run to the post office and everything. So far it sounds like the wheel's clear. The passenger one kind of makes a little bit of a noise when I get on the brakes, so I'm thinking maybe we'll just see if that one's self-clearances and we'll just go from there. But I think for right now we're going to call it good before I break it, before we even go racing. So now we gotta go home and try and see how hard it is to get this on the trailer I just got. Because yeah, I just got a trailer, but not a tilt deck. Not a tilt deck, not a dovetail, nothing fancy. It just has slide out ramp. So we'll see how much of a pain this is, but that's for a different video. So for right now, thanks for watching, and Idaho Man out.